Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Oh, we're all sick here again. I tell ya, a friend of mine in Taiwan was saying, dude, in 3 months, my kid started going to school and he's brought home 3 different colds. Yeah, sounds about right. So, anyways, I've done over 3,000 reviews, blah, 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 blah. You know where I'm coming from. You know where I'm taking you. I've got one today from Samyang Foods. Bowl Noodle Soup. Hot and spicy. Yeah, this is... You've probably seen Bowl Noodle Soup before, but not from this brand. And I thought, since they did kindly send a whole bunch of it, I would make some today. And that is what I'm doing. Got my deep voice ready to go. Pouring the powder into the bowl. Adding the boiling, ever so hot water into the bowl. Closing the lid with this. And setting it for a happy 30 minutes. So yeah, wow. Miles was like coughing and this and that and sneezing a bunch. Then yesterday, I ended up getting it and my wife has it and it sounds like my daughter might have it. So, but that's it. It's just coughing. It's all bronchial. But I have a really good recipe for this. So what you do, see, get yourself this stuff. See that? You pair that up with what do you call it? You pair that up with Tylenol 1 if you can get it. It's not like a huge difference. It does have a little caffeine and codeine in it. You can get it up in Canada. It's insanely cheap. And I take 2 of those and 1 ibuprofen, and I sip on one of those all day. I feel like I sound horrible, but I feel really good. And I'll take the sound horrible and feel really good any day over the feel horrible and sound horrible. So, but yeah, 2 days in a row. Got my kid up, got him to the bus, picking him up later, yo. Doing the papa gig. So, yeah. Yeah. And did 2 unboxing videos yesterday. Was gonna do 2 today, but I have so many times said only nice things about the post office, but today, I tell ya, I am really ticked. So, I was hoping my package would show up and I would be able to go out to the mailbox or the mailroom, use the key, get it out of the parcel locker, like it says it's in the parcel locker. And then what happens? There's no parcel locker key in my mailbox. I go to the office. We don't have it. We can't open that up. So it's going to take like 2 to 3, 4 days, probably 2 to 3 business days to get a call back from the local post office. Meanwhile, it's a subscription box for a company that, they spent money to ship it over here, so it's like, come on. Ugh. I told them, no more USPS, it's too much of a hassle. Which is a shame. My dad worked for the post office. I've had nothing but love for the post office, but I think, unfortunately, the better route is going to be FedEx on this stuff. At least for their packages. For some reason, I don't know why, but just coming to me, they're really hit and miss. I think it's just because I don't know. And don't get me wrong, I love the postman. He's a good guy. But I think they switch them out like midweek or towards the end of the week. And then the people who replace them and do their routes are just like freaking idiots. So, anyways, there's your bowl noodle. And let's give this broth a try. It is hot and spicy. Mmm. Wow. I can say if you're like a hardcore Monty Python fan, you'll understand what I mean when I say, Fred, yeah, I think we've got an eater. What? I think we've got an eater. Oh, I'll put the oven on. Yeah. Are you insinuating that we eat my mother? No, 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 no. You know, so more often than not with bowls, right at that 3-minute mark, it's just like 4 minutes would just do it so much more justice. And the noodles just aren't totally there yet. They're close. They just need a little bit more time, I swear, almost every single time. Which is a bummer because, you know. Oh, and for you who are losing your mind about these, what are the little plastic toys in there? These are not little plastic toys. This is called Naruto Monkey. It's a fish cake. Just so you know, it's not a little plastic toy. Okay? I've seen that too many times. I'll prove it. I'll eat it. It's fish cake. Now, what are we gonna do here? We got a bowl. You know, I'm in the mood for some egg. Booyah. How do you make your egg look like that? Hey, you crack it into a ladle, rock it back and forth so all the whites go away, and there you are. Yep. And we're going to go an even scarier route. We're adding cheese. People in Korea would never do that. Yes, they would. Spring onion. A little extra there. What else would you like to see on this dish? I would like to see this Naruto not sticking to each other. Come on. Well, we'll go the manual fish cake peeling method. Drop one there. Drop one there. Oh, I like how that looks in the broth. I do. And, you know, it's Fried Onion Friday, so we're going to have a little bit of fried onion on top, just because that's the way I like it. Perfect. But yeah, look at that. That cheese is already starting to gloop about. Got the lovely egg. Don't you want to eat that? Well, if you were here, you could. But you're not. You're not. And you're not gonna be. Anyways. Yeah, this tastes pretty good. I'm enthusiastic about this, so. Alright. Thanks to the folks at Samyang for shooting these over. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you'd like to watch more, check out kind of stuff you got right over there. Right there. Right over there. You know, watch this with friends and family. If you don't have any friends or family, watch it with an enemy. They might end up being a friend, after all. Alright. This is your under the weather Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.